Alam mo yung game na ito? Game na ito. Play. Hat mover. Yay! Yung ito. Okay guys, we're playing this game called this is. I change my marble. Or I can wait, I can. Shiny marble. Shiny. Buy. You need to buy Robux for a marble. I don't know. Wee. Go. Don't. We're gonna talk about Jenny the hacker. Everybody thought she was a fake hacker, but soon, hey guys, I recently have some news. And recently, if you don't play Roblox at March 13. There's a new hacker, and he only bans someone when he's playing Roblox at March 13. And when you play Roblox on March 13, your account might be banned. So don't play Roblox at March 13. Be safe out there. It's actually those videos when those videos when they explain a horror story. They just play this game.
Hintay ako sa loto lang, hindi ba nakita ako lumabas? Pero mo sana? Pero naman na.
Naka-record ako.
Pero naman, si mama mo mamaya magluluto pa ako ng matagal.
Wala tong Roblox.
Hindi naman ako maglalaro ng Roblox.
Touch me to go to spawn area. 10 credits. Green! Yay!
Pero muna naknan. Pipapa naman yan eh. Pero saglit lang.
Change marble.
Mamaya sa'yo na naman yan kasi magana na si Papa magluluto na.
I want to go to noob head. I want to reset. Oof. The ball. Now I became the ball.
Pero naman saglit lang na.
Wait. Is this a bacon head? I think not. Oh, that's an eyeball. I said bacon head. Noob head, not an emerald eye. Noob head. I press noob head. So,
Pero naman yan.
Sige.